Hello, hello, scrappy friends. I am back today with a super duper exciting May kit for the scrapbooking store. If you didn't know, I am a design team member for the scrapbooking store, and this is their kit for the month of May. Just got to my doorstep, and I'm super excited to show you guys the kit, as well as something else that's crazy exciting about it. Do you want to see? Da-na-na-na! Focus, camera. Okay, so this paper and this kit was designed by the scrapbooking store, which was a super huge surprise even to me as a design team member. They didn't tell us, they just sent us our kits, and I was like, oh my gosh. So this was super exciting to get in the mail. I think I've said super exciting like 10 times already. I apologize. But I was excited to see that they made their own paper pattern papers. So I'm going to show you. So here's the first paper. This one is really, really pretty. It's like a baby pink kind of peach color, and it's just got a nice repeating floral. So the papers aren't named, but the collection is called Garden Party. Ooh, this is a really, really pretty blue. It's like a teal. I don't know if it's coming across as a pretty teal blue, but it is in person. Then we have another baby pink kind of peach with a little border print on there. Ooh, and I really, really love this pink color. That's so, so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm so excited about this. I could totally fussy cut these. Not sure I will, but that's totally what I see with that paper. Maybe I'll use both sides. Who knows? Ooh, and this one has like a nice dark teal with a pink stripe. And then teacups on the back. Gotta love some yellow. I love me a nice yellow pattern paper. Oh, and this is simply gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they totally blew this out of the park. This is amazing. And then a nice gingham pattern. This is more of a green teal. That's really pretty too. This is a nice kind of medium blue. I love the colors in this kit. There are such a variety. A lot of times you only see like maybe 3 colors, you know, repeated over and over again in a kit. And this one has a lot more than just 3. Okay, here's the pink gingham. And some nice borders. Bloom where you are planted. Time for tea. Love grows here. Just a lot of cuteness. Okay, then here's a 3x4 cut apart sheet. I really love this one. It's a very pretty teal color. And then another yellow. Gotta love it. I love that pattern too. Okay, and then a 4x6 cut apart. Oh my goodness, look at that. Gorgeous floral. A nice kind of baby blue. A little bit of that medium blue maybe. Here's some cute little teacups with the flowers in them. Super cute. Oh, I love this navy. Really pretty. It's on a white background with some pretty florals and plus signs, and then a nice pink stripe. Very pretty. Then we've got, oh, then we've come back to the front. I was like, this looks familiar. Okay, so you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn it on to this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, let's see, 9, 10, 11, and 12 pieces of paper. So that is a good amount of paper we have in this kit. I really, really love all of them. The colors are gorgeous. Okay, then the embellishments. Okay, so you have 4 embellishments this month, which is just amazing. So first up, the one that really caught my eye was this one by Dear Lizzie. And this is, it feels like glossy, but matte at the same time. But the stickers, I don't know if you can see, they're kind of a little glossy. That's kind of cool. So these are accent and phrase stickers. There are 81. And I love the colors. They go so perfectly with the papers. As you can see, there's like the navy blue, there's the pinks, the baby pink, the greens. It just, everything goes great with all of these papers. Then we also got the Heidi Swapp stickers. I'm not sure what collection this is from. I hate that the stickers never say the collection names on them. But this one is from a 2019 collection, and this one is from 2019 as well. So a little bit older stickers, but they're amazing. I like the copper, or not the copper, it's more of like the, what color is that? Rose gold, I think. So that's kind of fun. You've got that foil color on there. Then we also got some of these Magical Forest stickers. Come on, focus. It doesn't want to focus. And it is from, this collection came out last year, right? I think. But they are the Puffy stickers. So those are super duper cute. And then last but definitely not least, we got some Heidi Swapp outline stickers. So there are, let me show you. Let's see, hearts. So we've got hearts. And then stars. And then circles. So there you go. Hearts, stars, and circles. So all of these embellishments are super duper fun this month. Make sure you use my link down below, and that will help me out tremendously. I get a little bit of a commission off of that. And I would appreciate it if you would sign up under my name or go purchase a kit from them for the month of May. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful International Scrapbooking Day weekend. Bye.